Are you also a tumbler hoarder? Always in search for a durable and good-looking tumbler that you can add to your collection? Or you're just simply looking for one that you can use and bring anywhere? Whichever you are from the two, I'm sure you will absolutely love the straw-insulated stainless steel ice retention cold cup by Sivago. Who wouldn't fall in love with its aesthetic design? It's made with stainless steel and it has anti-slip silicone pad at the bottom. It's leak-proof, explosion-proof, heat-resistant, and anti-scalding. This one is designed with large handle for comfortable grip, so it's easy to bring wherever you go. You may drink directly through its spout, or you may insert a straw that comes with the tumbler. The straw itself comes with a silicone cover. Super nice, isn't it? This tumbler is perfect when you want to enjoy your drink for a long period of time because it can keep your drink cold for up to 24 hours. And if you prefer hot beverages, it can keep your drink hot for up to 12 hours. This straw-insulated tumbler stainless steel ice retention cup that I have is 40 ounce. And it's also available in 23 ounce size. And here's the best part. You can purchase one of these at this time for less than 500 pesos. So hurry while it's still on sale. Order yours now!